Testosterone is one of our key hormones for both men and women, and as such it's important that we pay attention to how it is being managed in our bodies. Find out exactly what testosterone is and how it affects your body here. If you have low levels of testosterone, then adding these testosterone boosting foods into your diet can help give you that boost you need. Whether you're trying to boost your testosterone levels naturally or using these foods to supplement a hormonal treatment plan, there are lots of ways you can build these ingredients into your meals. Testosterone is the main male sex hormone, but females also have small amounts of it. It is a steroid hormone produced in men's testicles and women's ovaries. The adrenal glands also produce small amounts. During puberty in boys, testosterone is one of the main drivers of physical changes like increased muscle, deeper voice and hair growth. However, having optimal levels is also important throughout adulthood and even during old age. In adults, healthy levels are important for general health, disease risk, body composition, sexual function and just about everything else. Interestingly, it also plays an important role in female health and sexual well-being. The research is pretty conclusive. Both genders should ensure they have healthy levels of testosterone, especially as they age. Here are 8 evidence-based ways to increase testosterone levels naturally. 1. Tuna. Tuna is rich in vitamin D, which has been linked to a longer life and testosterone production. It's also a heart-healthy, protein-rich food that's low in calories. Whether you choose canned or fresh, eating this fish can be a natural way of boosting testosterone. A serving of tuna fulfills your daily vitamin D needs. If you aren't a tuna fan, you may consider other fishy sources of vitamin D, such as salmon or sardines. Remember that moderation is key. Aim for a max of 2 to 3 servings a week to minimize your intake of mercury, which is found in seafood. 2. Low-fat milk with vitamin D. Milk is a great source of protein and calcium. Children and women are encouraged to drink milk for better bone health, but milk can also keep men's bones strong too. The vitamin D content may also keep testosterone levels in check. Make sure you choose milk that's fortified with vitamin D. Choose low-fat or skim versions. They have the same nutrients as whole milk without all of the saturated fat. 3. Egg yolks. Egg yolks are another rich source of vitamin D. While cholesterol has a bad reputation, egg yolk contains more nutrients than egg whites. The cholesterol of egg yolks may even help low testosterone. As long as you don't have any pre-existing cholesterol issues, you can safely eat 1 egg per day. 4. Fortified cereals. Eggs aren't the only breakfast food that can help low testosterone. If you have to watch your blood cholesterol, this is especially good news. Certain cereal brands are fortified with vitamin D, not to mention other heart-healthy nutrients. Consider incorporating fortified cereals into your breakfast routine to jump-start your day and your testosterone levels. 5. Oysters. Zinc is an essential nutrient during puberty, and its effects can keep male hormones in check throughout adulthood. Men who have low T benefit from increasing their zinc intake if they also have zinc deficiencies. Oysters are good sources of this mineral. 6. Shellfish. An occasional serving of crab or lobster may do your testosterone levels some good. This is thanks in part to the zinc content in these seafood favorites. According to the National Institutes of Health, Alaskan king crab has 43% of your daily value of zinc in just a 3-ounce serving. 7. Beef. There are real health concerns about the overconsumption of red meat. Not only do some cuts have more fat than poultry, but eating too much is also linked to certain cancers, such as colon cancer. Still, some cuts of beef have nutrients that can boost testosterone. Beef liver is an exceptional source of vitamin D, while ground beef and chuck roast contain zinc. To keep animal fats in check, choose only lean cuts of beef and avoid eating it every day. 8. Beans. When it comes to male hormone health, beans may offer more benefits than you think. Many legumes, such as chickpeas, lentils, and baked beans, are all considered good sources of zinc. As a bonus, these foods are full of fiber and plant-based proteins that can protect your heart health. If you're diagnosed with low T, you may be prescribed testosterone hormone replacements, such as tablets or pills, skin patches, topical gel, injections. These medications can also come with the risk of serious side effects, so make sure you discuss all of them with your doctor beforehand. Additionally, consider making dietary adjustments to boost your overall health, not just to treat low testosterone.